Welcome to Clarity. Log in by entering your email and password manually or by using biometrics. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the appointment screen. If your EHR is integrated with Clarity, you'll see your patients listed and can select them at any time. Otherwise, you click on New Appointment. For this example, we'll click on New Appointment. Here, you can type the patient's name if you wish. I'll type their initials. Afterwards, select the type of note you would like. We'll choose SOAP A and P paired. This demonstration will record the complete patient-physician encounter. At the end, you'll see the note that Clarity generated from the doctor-patient conversation.
Hey, Susie, great to see you. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks. I turned 51, about 10 days ago, and I lived through it, so thought I'd come in for my physical.
Happy belated birthday. Did you do anything fun?
Oh, we just went out for dinner, and nothing too special, but it was nice.
All right, great. And how have you done with your blood pressure? You still
Seems to be doing good.
Pretty good taking the lisinopril every morning?
Yes, I barely miss it.
All right, fantastic. The nurse checked your pressure. It was 118/72, pulse of 68. All great.
What about my blood work? I think I did that.
Yeah, that's right. Let me pull it up here. Yep, total cholesterol was still good, 164. The good cholesterol was 68, which is great. Bad cholesterol was 72, which is also very good. And because you're on the blood pressure medicine, we checked your kidney function. So your creatinine was 0.9 and potassium 4.1, both where we want them. So really good. Thanks for doing that.
Good, so that means I can indulge over Thanksgiving?
Yeah, no, that would not be the game plan. Neither do we want you to. Your weight's been great since all year, so be careful as you enter Christmas holidays. And you've been on the same lisinopril 20 milligram dose for a while. Your pressure's great. I think if you actually lose another 5-6 pounds, we could maybe reduce it to 10 milligrams.
Okay,
So, I mean,
I'll work on that.
Yeah,
I'll play a little more tennis. By the way, have you been watching any of the finals?
I did watch. I know Sinner's doing well. I don't know if Alcaraz is in the finals. Is he?
I haven't heard today, but last I heard it looked like it was cruising to be the two of them.
Oh, really? That'll be amazing. Yeah, I would definitely watch the finals. No, you keep playing tennis. You're doing great. Do we have you getting the mammogram?
Yes, I have one scheduled next month.
Okay, good. And I think last year you did your colonoscopy, so you're mostly caught up. Flu shot? Did you get your flu shot?
Yep, 1st of October.
All right, perfect. All right, no, everything looks good. And we'll see you back in springtime.
Okay. Oh, I've had a little nasal congestion, but I think it's just allergies. You think I should just start on my Claritin again?
Yeah, usually you do it in the springtime, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, make sure you don't take the Claritin D because of the blood pressure. But yeah, Claritin, it should do the trick for a couple of days. Otherwise, you could try Allegra.
Okay. Thanks.
Perfect. Bye.
Now, click the 3 blue horizontal bars in the upper left corner for Menu. Then select Visits. Click on the note you just created. Depending on its length, the note may take a few minutes to process. Your Clarity note is organized into clear, easy-to-read sections. You may edit the note on the phone or in the Clarity portal. Enjoy caring for your patients with Clarity.